Hi, D1. Okay, I'm trying to get creative with how I show you what would be on the wall in the classroom or on the whiteboard. So I'm going to go over some of our key vocabulary words for science right now, and then I'm going to show you what fun activity I want you to do. Okay, force, a push or a pull on an object. He's pulling, that's force. She's pushing, that is also putting force onto something. You can have unbalanced force. More than one force acts as an object. If one of these forces is greater than the other, it is unbalanced force. This will cause the object to move. Okay, so these friends were going back and forth equally with the push and the pull. This is unbalanced force, where you can see this boy is pushing this boy, and based on the picture, it appears that he's stronger and he's pushing, and this friend can't push back fast enough. So it's called unbalanced force. Balanced force. More than one force acts as an object. If the forces are the same, it is balanced force. This will cause the object to stay in its place. Now, we've talked about tug of war before. If he is pulling at the same amount of force as he is, then it's just going to stay in the same place. Friction, a force that occurs when two objects touch. Friction slows down things that are moving. Now, we did one of these mystery sciences in the classroom. I don't know if you remember, but it was a cardboard box, a piece of a cardboard box, and then we slid down buttons and bottle caps and sandpaper, all sorts of things. So some friction is more than others, and it causes things to slow down if there is friction. Gravity. So gravity is a force. It pulls things towards Earth. Gravity slows down things that are moving. We have gravity here on Earth, and it's an invisible force. And without gravity, we would float away. Gravity pushes us down to the earth. And lastly, motion. It's when an object changes its location. So she pushes the basketball down, it goes from her hands, and the force that is pushed onto the basketball then goes into motion and moves it. Then the force of the ground pushes the basketball back up. The force of gravity pushes the basketball back down. Okay? But it's all these different forces are causing the basketball to be in motion. Okay, in Google Classroom, you have this website, and there are different motion games and videos. So I would like you to pick two of these to do. There's a friction ramp. There's vocabulary, another word activity, a word search, motion hang mouse. So that sounds fun. Or you can watch the motion song or map it out. So you get to pick two of those, and I hope you guys have fun.